Hi, I'm Melinda Webb. I'm a doctor of Chinese medicine and I'm a calm birth educator. And today I'm going to be showing you how to locate your 4 acupressure points that you're going to be using for labour and birth. We have Michelle joining us today, and Michelle is only midway through her pregnancy, so therefore we will only be locating the points on her. It's not until week 38 of your pregnancy that you are actually going to apply pressure. Now, when you are using your acupressure points, remember to use your calm breath, as the two of them together are a beautiful combination for allowing you to relax into labour and having ease as you move through your labour and birth. So let's move on to the first point. The first point we're going to locate is on the top of the shoulders. The best way to locate this point is to get mum to tilt her head forward, and then you're going to run your finger down the centre of the spine until you find the most protruding bone. Then you're going to go across to the front of the shoulder, and then when your thumbs are going to meet halfway, where your thumbs meet, you'll find that there is a depression here. So locating this point is halfway across the shoulder. When you are using it, you're going to use this part of your thumb or your knuckles, and you're going to locate it on both sides of the shoulders. So when you're using this point that's midway across the top of the shoulder blade, you're going to use it because its main function is to descend. So it's a really beautiful point to get baby to drop down into the pelvis. It also encourages baby to move through the birth canal during labour. It gives mum a sense of ease, it releases pain, and it just allows you to relax through your labour with comfort. The next point we're going to locate is the sacral point. So you're going to locate this point here, and by locating it, we're going to start by putting a finger on the hip bone up here and then moving our thumb on a 45-degree angle towards the bottom crease. Simply placing 2 hands on the top of the pelvis. Again, it's not in this point here where the dimples are, it's lower than that, and it's on a 45-degree angle. You'll see that it sits slightly out from the spine, easily to locate. When we're using this point, we use it to encourage labour, open the pelvis. It's also great for softening and ripening the cervix. It helps with the pelvic floor to release, and it's just a really good point to use to soften any pain or sensations that you may have during labour. The next point we're going to locate is the shin point. Now going down here, it's located on the inside of the ankle. The first point to look out for is on the ankle bone. You're going to find the ankle bone, and then you're going to find the main bone that runs up on the inside of the ankle. Now as you're pushing your finger up along the inside of this main bone, you'll feel that there's a little depression. This is the point that you use in labour. So another way to find it is placing the little finger on the inside of the ankle bone, allowing your fingers to roll over, and it's where you will locate, or you'll find that your index finger softens. Simply holding your finger like this on the point is a good way to locate and use the point. Now we use that inside shin point to really help get the cervix softened and ripened. It really encourages contractions to begin. It's a great way to reduce pain in labour, and it's easily located for the support person to use. So the next point we're going to locate is the hand point. The easiest way to locate this point is by sliding the finger up on the inside of the index finger, where you're meeting that fleshy mound of the thumb. You're going to apply pressure using this part of your thumb into that area. Another way to locate is by doing it on the opposing side of the body and pressing both of these points at the same time. You can press like this, heading towards the bone, or again, using your hand like this. Now, the reason we use the hand point is it helps soften and ripen the cervix. It induces labor. It's used from 38 weeks gestation only, and it's a really great point to use for pain.